In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the right time to post or upload videos on YouTube or on your YouTube channel. So knowing the right time to post videos on your YouTube channel is very much important. It's important in the sense that you know the time your subscribers are online, so you know the time to post content to meet them, something like that. Because if most of your viewers watch your content, your subscribers, if they watch your content, YouTube will feel, oh, then this content is a good one, so let's give it to new viewers, people that are not subscribed on your channel. So in this case, your videos will tend to get a lot of views and you grow your community, something like that. It's very important. Even in social media marketing, you know when to post content when your people are online. You get a lot of likes and engagement, something like that. Very simple. So in this video, we are going to use this tool, which is our YouTube studio here. So on the studio, we move to analytics here. This is a channel I'm building. You can see in this December, I've been posting a lot of videos. And here now, let's move to our audience. So on this page, we are going to get information about our audience, our subscribers and people that haven't subscribed, something like that. So now let's scroll down here. Good. And then we find this heat map. I call this a heat map. So this map is going to show us when most of our subscribers or our viewers are online watching videos on YouTube, something like that. So this is a map. So something like this. Look at the map. Look at the explanation of the map. So when you see this deep thing here, it means people watching. When it's light, it means the people are not watching. This is a different thing, but then it's used to explain this as well. When you're using a mobile phone, you get the brief explanation, but then I'm using a PC for the tutorial. So let's stick with this. So now let me give you a real life example by using the ones here. You can see you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So on Sunday, the right time for me to post videos is around 6 a.m, 7 a.m, 8 a.m, 9 a.m, and I can even post videos around 12 a.m, 1 a.m, but then most people won't be online. But then it's still okay, considerable. But then it's not best for me to post videos on Sundays around 12 p.m. up to like 5 p.m. You can see it. When I put it here, something is coming up, so you guys are not going to see it well. But then it's not advisable for me to post videos around that time. You can see here. So after 6 p.m. on Sunday, it's okay for me to post videos. But then 6 a.m, 7 a.m, 9 a.m, 10 a.m. is very much important for me to post videos because most of them are online. And you can see here on Wednesday, around 12 a.m, 1 a.m, I can post videos, and then up to 12 p.m. I think most of my viewers are not online on YouTube around this time. 12 p.m, 1 p.m, 2 p.m. So it's not advisable for me to be posting video during that time. So if you are a subscriber of mine, you know I don't post video during this time. Okay, so this is the heat map that is giving me information from my time. So I'm going to stick to the time they are giving me, which is mine here. So I shouldn't be posting videos around 12 p.m. there. Yeah, it's not advisable. So that's it for you to know when to post videos on YouTube. It's very much important because let me give you a real life scenario. So let's say I hop on YouTube, I'm your subscriber, and you post a video the time I'm on YouTube. So I just hopped on YouTube. So I'm going to get new content. Look at something. This is 4 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 2 days ago, something like that, 1 day ago. So most of the videos posted here or recommended here are recent videos. So in this case, you tend to meet me at the right time. So I might click on your video, number one. Number two, let's say I'm watching this video. Let me pause it. Good. So I'm watching this video and I'm your subscriber. Let me show you guys something. And then I come here. Good. So you can see here, I'm getting new content here. So at my suggested page, I'm going to get your content even though I'm not watching your video. Since it's a new content, YouTube tend to, entertain people that are on their platform. So since it's a new content, I'm going to get it here. So you have a probability of getting me to click your video, number two. And then the last one is notification. So you can see here, audience notification. So you can see on my channel here, people click through notifications. You get me? So these are people that have turned on their notification bell icon. So if I post a video at the time that they are online doing their thing on YouTube, they are going to get a notification. And we all know in real life, when you get a notification, you try to read it. So when they read it and your title is okay, the thumbnail is okay, you get a viewer from there too. And if most of your people are viewing your content, YouTube is going to recommend it to new people So in this case, you get the chance, or you stand the chance to grow your, community, something like that. So this is how to find the best time to post videos on YouTube or on your YouTube channel. So in my previous video, I talked about how to check whether your thumbnail is hurting or sabotaging your content, and this video is about how to post. And I have another video on suggesting or impressions, so check them all out on my channel. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, don't forget to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel.